Hello there everyone, welcome back to another episode of flower painting. Today I chose to paint a single flower. I roughly sketched the flower with green color. I've got 8 by 8 inches canvas to begin with. The colors I'll be using are already mentioned in the description box. If this is the first time you have visited my channel and you like my paintings, please subscribe and stay connected. I started by giving a turquoise and green background to the canvas. The reason I used turquoise is to create a sky, but I covered almost fully by the green color later, so you can skip this step. I'm using green, light green and yellow to cover the area right now. Some crisscross brush strokes would work at this area. Poppies are considered a symbol of both sleep and death. According to Greek and Roman mythology, poppies were used on tombstones to symbolize eternal sleep. They also symbolize the blood for fallen soldiers on the battlefield of war. These pretty flowers are mostly seen in red. Not all poppies are red, they also come in yellow, orange, and other colors. So today we are painting it in peach color. I'll be uploading some other small canvas painting this month as my interest on canvas size keeps on shifting. Once I started working on these little buddies, I realized that they are very easy to store and ship. For this we are gonna use crimson color. Mixing it with white can create different shades. At this point, I'm trying to put the right colors at right place. There will be a lot of layer to achieve the right highlights and lowlights. Today I'm using slow drying acrylic for the poppy. I've got this sample from Golden. There were several other products that I'm slowly using whenever required. Regarding this slow drying acrylic paint, it works best when we are working slow, obviously. It gives time to mix and paint, and it is quite glossy over other acrylic brands. Okay, the painting looks complete to me. You can add more highlights if you want. Please share your feedback in the comment section as it really means a lot to me and it keeps me motivated. And give a thumbs up if you like the process of the painting. Thank you so much for joining the creative process. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.